Shark did what? This vacuum will make you ditch your broom forever. Pet hair who? Ever feel like you're in a never-ending battle against pet hair, dust bunnies, and mystery crumbs? Like no matter how much you sweep, your floors still look like a crime scene? Same. You're not lazy. You're just stuck with dumb tech that guzzles time and half cleans. Wasted weekends, aching backs, and that ugh moment when you spot a dried-up Cheerio after guests arrive. Newsflash, your floors shouldn't stress you out. It's 2024. Why are you still cleaning like it's 2005? Let's talk real pain. Racing home before a date to hand vacuum for tumbleweeds. Tripping over cords because you're smart, vacuum got stuck again. Sneezing through dust clouds because your allergies hate you. And don't get me started on emptying that gross dustbin. Hello, sneeze fest. You're this close to hiring a maid, but your wallet's crying. Enough. Your sanity's on life support, and that sad broom? It's fired. Time for a vacuum revolution. One that actually works while you Netflix and chill. Meet the Shark Power Detect Clean and Empty, IP3253, your glitch-free cleaning sidekick. This ain't your grandma's vacuum. It's got Power Detect suction that auto-boosts on carpets. Bye-bye, embedded dirt. A self-emptying base that hoards 60 days of debris. No touchy. And LIDAR navigation to map your home like a GPS. But the real magic? The anti-hair wrap Brushroll. No more scissor battles with tangled fur. Pet hair? Gone. Mystery kitchen sludge? Erased. It even talks to Alexa like a trained pup and runs 70 minutes on a charge. Sets schedules, block no-go zones, and watches it out cleans you. Here's why Shark stands are obsessed. 3 cats, 0 hair wraps. This thing's a beast. Amazon reviewer. My allergies improved. The HEPA filter traps dust instead of blowing it back in my face. Walmart shopper. Even Reddit's roasting old-school vacuums. My floors are so clean, I've started judging my mom's house. Boom. For time smart tech hunts hidden dirt, blasts edges with air jets, and auto-adjusts for carpets versus hard floors. The Odor Neutralizer puck murders funky smells, RIP, litter box stank, and the Furfin's tool digs deep into upholstery. Still skeptical? Peep the multi-flex wand that bends to clean under couches like a contortionist. This isn't a vacuum, it's a cheat code. And hey, if it can handle a golden retriever's shedding season, your crumbs are child's play. Wait, don't scroll. Shark's already selling out, again, and your floors ain't getting younger. Tap, buy now before your soul-crushing chore list does. Limited stock, blame TikTok hype. Join 50,000 plus lazy genius owners who've already retired their brooms. 60-day refund guarantee. If you don't yell, where have you been all my life? After week 1, we'll eat a sock. Upgrade or keep suffering. Your move.